This presentation is intended to provide a brief overview of a marketing program featuring Herbagreen and Pofert, two of Mikro Mineral USA Incorporated's prime agricultural products. Herbagreen is a 100% natural mineral foliar fertilizer and is made from the mineral calcite, also known as calcium carbonate or fine limestone. It's 100% natural, ion toxic, and non-polluting to the environment. This is a unique and innovative technology. Herbagreen is currently produced in Victoria, Australia, and in Croatia using a process called tribomechanical activation, TMA. This process micronizes and activates the calcite particles by mimicking the turbulent atmospheric conditions that commonly exist in hurricanes. The particles are thus micronized by colliding into each other, and at the same time, they are also electrostatically charged. This combination of events creates a 100% increase in the active surface area and reactivity of the calcite. It's this specific particle activation that makes Herbagreen a unique product when compared to other calcium fertilizers in the marketplace. The advantage of the micronized and activated minerals is that you have an almost instant availability of the minerals being absorbed into the plant, ensuring optimum nutrient uptake. What's the importance of calcium? Calcium regulates the protein pump, responsible for uptake and movement of nutrients into the roots and through the plant cells. Calcium, therefore, plays a major role in the development of plant and fruit cell walls, especially during the cell division stage. Calcium also plays a key role in protecting the plant cells from toxins and in slowing the aging process. Herbagreen is always used as a foliar application. Herbagreen is mixed with water and sprayed in a fine mist on the plant. The concentration rate is for most field crops 2 to 2.5 pounds per acre. Significant research in fertilizer application methods have confirmed that foliar application promotes much faster nutrient uptake compared to soil application. With Herbagreen, the calcite particles are now the size of 20 microns or less. They're small enough to penetrate the stomos, the leaf pores of the plant. Once inside the leaf, calcite particles will divide in CO2, carbon dioxide, and CaO, calcium oxide. This gives the plant a free source of calcium, which ensures that all the nutrients are transported to all the growing points of the plant. The immediate effects are a highly increased photosynthesis, up to 30%, which reduces the photorespiration, limiting unnecessary evaporation and the plant's need for water, and an increased stress resistance, resulting in larger and healthier plants. To further enhance plant life with the benefits of calcium and all other macro and micronutrients, we're also introducing Pofert. Pofert and Herbagreen can be applied together in a balanced liquid fertilizer in one application. Pofert is a unique and proven product that has been developed after 16 years of research and development, including 7 years of intensive trials. Presently, the product is being used in large quantities with excellent results by vegetable, fruit, and flower growers. Pofert fertilizes and conditions the soil in one application and can be applied in both horticulture and agriculture environments as a foliar feed at all times of day without burning plant tissue. Pofert balances the pH value of water and thus releases more nutrients to the plants while maintaining a pH at between 5.5 and 6.5 in both soil and hydroponics. Pofert can be applied without the risk of damaging plants. It minimizes leaching loss because of high buffering and uptake capacity, reducing environmental damage while shortening the vegetation period by up to 30% while increasing plant yield by up to 40%. Pofert was the first liquid NPK fertilizer to contain calcium in high levels and is still today a unique product in this market with its high calcium content and perfect balance of all required macro and micro elements. Providing calcium in higher levels makes Pofert a significant product for more intensive vegetable and fruit production. pH balancing is achieved during the mixing process as complex chemical reactions take place, which result in a product that automatically maintains pH at a range between 5.5 and 6.5 value. This is quite a unique feature, and today there is no other fertilizer brand on the market that yields this characteristic. When added to water with a high pH value, up to 7.5 to 11, the pH of the water will automatically buffer back to 5.5 to 6.5, which is the optimum value at which plants can best take up nutrients applied to the root zone and foliage. The same balancing occurs if the pH is too low. Pofert is environmentally friendly. With minimal soil leaching, the nutrient salts are buffered in solution or in the soil and are release controlled to the plants as and when needed by them. This means that the nutrients will not be leached into the soil, which is of significant environmental importance. Pofert has been utilized extensively in Southern Europe and Australia under the trade name Vitaflora, and is now also available in the United States. Verified and documented results exhibit healthier crops with vigorous plant growth, increased quality of fruit, size, taste, shelf life, with increased crop yield and sugar content. Another unique feature is that Pofert Vitaflora may also be applied at extremely high EC levels without any harm to certain variety of plants. This option allows the grower to design an effective fertilization program which can achieve speeding up of the vegetation cycle by allowing the plant to absorb more nutrients while maintaining growth. At present, providing controlled how to apply, what to apply, and when to apply information for our first stage user domestic agricultural community is extremely important. Without adequate control and validation of these procedures for product use, the results that we know are attainable may be compromised. Therefore, at this stage, we think that creating a uniform method for use and obtaining and validating first-person proof of our agricultural success is extremely important. We'd like you to join us in this endeavor to participate and see for yourself how both Herbagreen and Pofert can help America's agricultural community achieve improved crop vitality and subsequent crop yield increases.